Back face detection with example. Back face detection is a technique in computer graphics for identifying which surfaces of 3D objects are facing away from the viewpoint of the observer and are therefore not visible. Here are some key points to consider when working with back face detection in computer graphics. Back face detection is a simple and fast algorithm for hidden surface removal. Back face detection is a simple algorithm that can be used to quickly identify hidden surfaces in a 3D scene. The algorithm works by calculating the dot product of the surface normal and the direction from the surface to the viewpoint, and using this to determine which surfaces are facing towards or away from the viewpoint. Back face detection is only appropriate for convex objects. Back face detection is only effective for convex objects, where all surfaces are facing either towards or away from the viewpoint. For concave objects, back face detection may fail to identify all hidden surfaces, as some surfaces may be facing partially away from the viewpoint. Back face detection is often used in conjunction with other techniques. While back face detection can be a fast and effective method for hidden surface removal, it is often used in conjunction with other techniques such as depth sorting or Z-buffering to create more accurate and complete images. Example: consider a cube with 6 faces. If the cube is viewed from the front, all 6 faces will be visible. However, if the cube is viewed from the back, only the front face will be visible and the other 5 faces will be hidden. Back face detection can be used to identify which faces of the cube are hidden and to remove them from the image. The algorithm would calculate the dot product of the surface normal and the direction from the surface to the viewpoint, and use this to determine which faces are facing away from the viewpoint and are therefore hidden. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.